Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then go to connections, and here select mobile hotspot and tethering, and turn on the button against mobile hotspot. Okay, here turn on and click over mobile hotspot. Here you can change device name, password, etc. By default this password is used. Okay, you have to use your own password. Okay, for that click over password and select or change any password. Okay, you go to type your own password. Here for demo purpose I set no password. Okay, that is I go to click on security and click on open. Okay, otherwise you should use your password. Okay, it is better to use password because other persons may connect to your hotspot and misuse your internet. Okay, and here in device name it is showing that Durais S24. So here I change this to Galaxy S24. I type Galaxy here, Galaxy S24 Plus. Okay, click on save. Finally I set no password because of demo purpose. Okay, and now go to your TV and select settings there, and go to additional settings and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi. You will be receiving the signal from your phone, that is called hotspot signal. Okay, this is hotspot signal. Just hover over the hotspot signal and click it, and your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Okay, yes, it has been successfully connected. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search with the term Google Home. Search a term Google Home. And install this Google Home app. Just click on install. Google Home app will be downloading and installing. Just wait. It is being downloaded and it's going on. 73% completed, 100% completed, and installation is going on. Just wait. You go to create mobile hotspot and connect to your TV. Then you go to install Google Home app. Okay, then open the Google Home app and click get started there and click on next and give all permissions and select the email ID here. Click OK. It's loading. Just wait. If it takes times, just you have to go back and again open Google Home app. I again open the Google Home app and click on devices here. It's still not loading properly, so I closed completely and again open Google Home app. And click on devices. You will be receiving the signal from your TV now. Just wait. Here may be the network problem. Again I open Google Home app and click on devices. In TV it's showing that connected no internet, so internet may be the problem. So I change SIM card for mobile data, SIM card manager. I go to Google Home app now. I go change the mobile SIM. Click on devices. Yes, I have received a signal from TV. If you face internet problem, then it will not work properly. So by this time, until this time, I didn't have I didn't have properly proper internet. So I faced some problem. Okay, because I am live recording this video. Okay, so sorry for some late. Okay, and click on the signal from your TV that you have received and click on cast my screen. Click on cast screen. Click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See there. See here. Yes. Phone screen is now mirrored to TV. So what I am seeing in my TV, that's also seen my TV. If I open Facebook in my phone, that is also open in my TV. See that. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with any Android TV. Okay, that's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.